Well, ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at doesn't look too great, I know, but this is going to be the making of our 52 International Hot Rod, Rat Rod, Resto Mod, low budget build. It's going to be a 1952, some kind of international Chevy conglomeration. And we're going to start our YouTube series with it, and that way y'all can get your rocks off on it and hate me for putting Chevy parts in an international and talk all the shit that you want, because they're really hunks of shit without having Chevy drivetrains in them. Even though I'm not a big Chevy guy, but LS Nation, right? Yeah! Woo, 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 yeah! You can see in the back on this thing that somebody's been drinking too many beers and, well, she got a little wadded up at some point. But don't worry, we don't need it for her body. We just need her for her parts. We're going to be using the frame. We've got a 373 limited slip rear, not this one because it's just completely trashed, and you'll see that in a second. And the body's going to be coming up and off of this thing over the weekend. It's Friday right now, and hopefully by the time the crew comes in Monday morning, I'll have the 52 International sitting down on this frame. We'll see. We've got a donor engine and trans over there, 5.3 with a 4L60E. Might have to upgrade to a 4L80, but it just depends on the budget, because we're going to try to do all this in a $2,000 budget. I know, it sounds crazy, but we're going to make it happen. So give us a subscribe, follow us, let us know what you think as we progress, and hopefully this thing can be turned out in just a couple weeks for less than $2,000 bucks.